I'm taking one problem. 0.0344 is divided by 8. How it is? The decimal number can divide with a whole number. That is any natural number. Okay, 8. Here, first of all, we can take the whole part. 0 is there. 8 zeros are 0. Then minus, it becomes 0. The decimal point can write here. Okay, then we can take the 10th digit, that is 0. 8 zeros are 0 only. Subtract 0. Again take 3. Write down the 3. In 3 also 8 is not subtracted. So again 8 zeros are 0. Subtract. 3 minus 0 is 3. Then write down 4. 8 fours are 32. Subtract from 34. 4 minus 2 is 2. Write down 4. 8 threes are 24. This is the remainder part is 0. It is the subtraction of the decimal number with the 8. Okay, just again. 8 zeros are 8. 0 minus 0 is 8 zeros are 0, not 8. 0 minus 0 is 0. The decimal point write in the quotient. Next, to take only 10th digit, 0. Again, 8 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, 0. Write down the 100th digit, 3. In 3, 8 is not subtracting. So 8 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Write 1000th digit, 4. 34. 8 fours are 32. Subtract, getting the 2. Then write the 10,000th digit, that is 4. 8 threes are 24. See here, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. This is the one problem. Another one, the same number, 8 is, okay, 0.00344 is divided by 8. How we are doing this one? In the same way, 8 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0, it's 0. The decimal point write in the quotient. Then we can write down the 10th digit, it's 0. From 0, 8 is not subtracting. So 8 zeros are 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Write down the 100th digit, that is 0. 8 zeros are 0. Why? Because it's 0 only. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Write the 1000th digit, 3. From 3, 8 is not subtracted. So 8 zeros are 0. 8, 3 minus 0 is 3. Write 10,000th digit, 4. 8 fours are 32. 34 minus 32, 2 is the remainder. Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakh, 1 lakh division, that is 4. 8 threes are 24. 24 minus 24, it is 0. Therefore, here quotient equal to 0.0043. Divisor is 8. Remainder is 0. Then multiply with this. What we are getting? 8 threes are 24. 2 is carry. 8 fours are 32 plus 2. 34. 0. 0. Decimal point 0. Why? Because 34 means 3 is carry here. 8 zeros are 0 plus 3, 3. 0.00344 plus remainder, we are getting the dividend. Dividend is equal to 0.00344. This is the answer. In that way, we can do that. $18 is divided with 20 means 18 by 20. It can be written as 18 by 2 into 10. Okay, 2 ones are 2 nines are. That is equal to 9 by 10. It is equal to, after the one decimal, or we can take the one decimal place. That is nothing but 0.9. Like that. Here 14th one, 6.3 is divided with 70. We can write the fraction form. The decimal part is in the fraction form. That is 63 by 70 into 10. Then 63 is divided with 7 into 10 into 10. That is nothing but 7 ones are 7, 7 nines are 63. 9 by 10 tens are 100. Take the two decimal places. 9, 0, 0.0. That is nothing but 0.09. Like that. Okay. 15th one. 0.82 is divided with 40. It can be written as 0.82 by 4 into 10. It is equal to 0.082 by 4. Is it clear? Here 1 0 is there, means the decimal point is shifted to before of the one place. 3 decimal places we can take. Now we can do that 0.082 with 4. Here 4 zeros are 0, minus it's 0. The decimal point write in the quotient, write down the tens digit. 4 zeros are 0. It's 8. 4 twos are 8, minus, write down the 2. 4 zeros are 0. Here 2. Next we can take the 0. 4 5s are 20. Why? Because here 0.082 divided with 4 is equal to 0.0205. Here 2 after why we are taking 0 means in the decimal part what we can write it as 0.082 is equal to 0.0820. It is equal to 0.08200. Is it clear? The decimal numbers are same, na? Equal numbers, na? That's why here 0 we want means we can take here 0 also. Then in the next part we can write the 0. Okay, why? Because in the 4 table 20 will come. That's why I'm taking here 0. And here they are not asking the remainder, only they are asking the decimal number, means where we can terminate, where we can end with the remainder 0, then we can do up to there, taking the zeros, the right side. Here after the 2, when we take the 1 0, then it's close to that. That is nothing but the remainder is 0. If we again get the remainder means we can take the one more 0 also. Okay, that is equal to this equal decimal. Okay. You do the 17.